their condo for a fixed amount of time. In this type of ownership, there's no guarantee that the landowner will lease the land to the developer once the contract expires. The second type is freehold, also known as perpetual or lifetime ownership. In this type, both condo building and the land on which it stands are owned by the developer. This gives homeowners and investors a lifetime ownership for their units. Camellia Manors falls under the second type, so homeowners have lifetime ownership. You can breathe a little easier when the unit is yours for life. And that's a wrap! Hope we helped you learn about condos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified when we upload stories, tips, or hacks on your next Condo 101 episode. See you in the next video! If you're planning to invest in real estate, there are lots to explore and discover. Walking through some concepts and ideas about condos can help. Let's start. So how are condo buildings classified? These are 3 classifications and they're based on a number of floors. Let's start with high-rise condos. These condos with more than 15 floors are usually located on central business districts, such as in Metro Manila. What's good about high-rise condos is accessibility, because of its location and its amenities. Although expect longer elevator queues, especially for people living in higher floors. These are condos with 5 to 15 floors. Mid-rise condos are usually in a with amenities and multiple residential buildings. Compared to high-rise, mid-rise condos have more open spaces to move around to, and elevators are not as crowded. Some condos like Manors have commercial spaces too. In terms of location, these condos are in the Goldilocks zone. Low-rise condos are usually called walk-up units because there are no elevators, so things and people must take the stairs. Like other condos, low-rise condos have basic amenities, but its main strength is in its space. In terms of location, these condos are usually farther away from central business districts. And that's a wrap. Hope we helped you learn about condos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified when we upload stories, tips, or hacks about condos. See you in the next video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong.
Ayan. So, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Kung ano mang oras ang nandyan sa inyo ngayon sa ating mga business partners no from VME worldwide, no? Vimy natin to all over the globe, no? Sa ating mga kasama from Italy, from Middle East, from US, from Asia. Welcome po dito sa ating presentation po ng Salt and Sand series. So, together with me po is si Ben, yung ating marketing officer for Camellia Matters Palawan. So, Ben?
Hello po, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Ayan, medyo naratol ako bigla, pinalunan ako ng pusa ko po. So, kamusta po, Bimi of the world?
Pakita ka daw, Ben.
Ito po. Ayan, so,
Ayan.
so looking forward po to do this presentation with you. Of course, welcome. Ayan, para na ako kinukuha ng liwanag. Looking forward po sa introduction, of course, ng ating Salt and Sand series, introducing the best of the best ng Camellia Manors product line, of course, dito under ni Luzon. So, of course, kasama rin po natin Simbahan and Emmanuel from both marketing officer natin with Salt and Sand. Ayan.
Talaga ba, Emmanuel? Ayan. Hello po ng mga MDs natin na nandito. Tito Mario, hello po. Sir April, hello po sa inyo. No? Sir Marco, hello po. Ayan, si Sir Arnold nandito din. Welcome po to our discussion and presentation for Camellia Manors Salt and Sand series.
Yeah,
Ayan. So,
Ayan. Nagpakita na si Emmanuel.
Hello.
ayan.
Buong buo. So,
Eman,
ayun nga po.
introduce yourself.
Yes, Vimy of the world. I'm Manuel po, no? Simply, you can call me just simply Eman. All the way from Lipa. So, the premium inland resort condominium in Batangas. Ayan.
And
Hello
of
po.
course, ayan, thank you so much. And of course, kaway naman tayo. Ace, nandyan ka?
Hello,
Ayan,
Ace.
sir, no? So, I think lilipat na ako ng bahay sa Italy nito kasi wala akong internet. So, kung makakapag-open ako ng cam na hindi ako maglalag, makikita niyo akong nasa balcony ngayon. Ayun. Ayun, so, good morning, good evening, magandang hapon, magandang umaga sa lahat, no? Vimy Italy team. My name is Simbahan, isa sa mga marketing officers also, nakasama ni Benny 25-8. Na pagpupuyat and tutulong also sa inyo na i-close yung deal together with Sir Bolts and also with Emmanuel. Ayun, Emmanuel ka na, Emmanuel.
Ayan. So, thank you so much, Ace. And of course, nandito rin yung mga partners natin, mga advocates natin from Middle East, Saudi. Andiyan sila Sir Joel. Of course, and then nandyan din yung okay, kaya mo yan, Volts.
We're worldwide.
Oo, basta all over the globe, nandito kasama natin. And of course, may mga hahabol pa tayo, mga advocates and mga business partners sa ating presentation. But for now, no, we will be starting off our presentation with our project in Palawan. Yan. So, Benny, take it away.
Ayan. Sige po, 1 second. I-quickly share ko lang po ang aking screen. Sandali po. Ayan siya.
So yeah, so for this presentation, we will be discussing and sharing to you the beautiful projects of Camellia Manors Salt and Sand. So bago tayo pumunta sa presentation, bakit ba Salt and Sand?
Ayan.
So syempre, meron tayong pauso. No? Alam naman ng mga taga Luzon, laging may pauso yan. So because para din po sa kaalaman ninyo, we only have 2 remaining projects as of now. Here in Camellia Manors, Luzon, that is really best to introduce to a fun way, no? Salt and Sand meaning nandun kasi tayo sa lugar na talagang tourist destination, vacation, leisure ang kilala, no? Kilala tayo diyan, like in Batangas and Palawan. So really, kaya kami gumawa ng ito para mas madali tayo maalala, madali tayong makilala ng mga business partners natin, and of course para unique tayo, no, sa ibang mga locations natin dito. And really, Camellia Manors Luzon kasi talagang base talaga tayo in terms of discussion sa mga vacation and tourist destination discussion natin. So because tayo ay nasa mga lugar na may mga beaches, magagandang resorts, ayan. So kaya po tayo nagtag as Salt and Sand. Ayan. So we are here to help everyone, mga business partners natin diyan for presentation any time of the day and night. 28.5. Oh yeah, 28, 25.8. Sorry, 28, 25.8.
Baliktad.
Oo, 25.8 every day, every night, 'di ba? So, ready na, Ben?
Yes, ayun. Salamat for the same.
Okay.
Ayan po, ayan. So thank you so much po. So ladies and gentlemen, Bimi of the world again, once again po, thank you so much for inviting us to do this exclusive PKS for your group. We are always ready po for this. O kahit pwede po natin to gawin every week para yung mga sellers po natin dyan, yung mga business partners natin ay of course maganahan palagi ng ating pagbibenta po sa project natin dito. So once again po, my name is Benny J. Ariastaque, one of your marketing officers for Camellia Manors Verdant here in Palawan. Hashtag your condo in paradise. And of course, let's watch this quick video to know exactly who Camellia Manors Verdant is. There we go. So that is Camellia Manors Verdant, wherein you can come home, you can invest, and you can retire. Hashtag your condo in paradise. So, sino na po bang, alam ko po, medyo gabi na sa ating dito sa Pilipinas, and of course, to the other parts of the world right now. So, konting stretching muna po tayo dyan, galaw-galaw tayo para magising ang ating mga diwa at ready tayong magbenta at of course to absorb yung ipepresent po namin sa inyo. So, sa mga nakapagpunta na po dyan ng Palawan, kindly type in Palawan. At sa mga hindi pa po nakakapunta ng Palawan, please type in I want. Ayan, para malaman ko po kung sino-sino na yung mga nakapunta sa atin dito sa Palawan at sa mga hindi pa nakakapunta dito sa Palawan. So nakapunta na po, you can type in Palawan, and sa mga hindi pa po nakakapunta, you can type in I want. Ayan. Okay, unang-una si Ace Palawan. Ayan po siya. Ayan, I want daw from Tita Imelda. Ayun, Sir Mario Palawan, nakapunta na. I want from Sir Alan. Ayan po. Sige, tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo dyan sa mga hindi pa nakakapunta at nakapunta na dito. So with that, sa hindi pa po nakakapunta, hindi ko po nasasabi sa inyo, I am a licensed tourist guide here in Puerto Princesa City in the whole island of Palawan. And of course, idadalhin ko po kayo, itutur ko po kayo ngayon sa isla ng Palawan because of all the projects po nasa nationwide under the Camellia Manors product line. Only here in Camellia Manors Verdant, you will get to experience lifestyle only the best island in the world offers. Because flashing on your screen right now, these are just some of the tourist attractions and some of the conveniences and lifestyle that you will get to take advantage of as your clients invest here in Camellia Manors Verdant, located in Palawan, in Puerto Princesa to be precise. So unang-una, you can relax in El Nido. El Nido is very well known for their island hopping tour, water activities natin dyan, and of course, sa mga pristine white beaches natin. Of course, you can indulge in Coron. Coron and El Nido are kind of the same. The only difference is that Coron is more focused more sa mga lakes natin back in that island. And meron din tayo dyang deep sea diving na very famous kasi po meron kayong makikita na mga shipwrecks dating back World War I and World War II. It signifies the significance of the island during those times din. So napakaganda rin po yung activity na ino-offer dyan sa Coron. You can unwind in Port Barton. In Port Barton, San Vicente po, dyan nyo po makikita, I'm telling you, our longest beach in the Philippines of 14.7 kilometers. Imagine niyo po kung gaano kahaba yung EDSA, ganun din po yung beach natin dyan. At hindi po yan basta-basta coastline ha, kundi fine white beach po yan or fine white sand na ang buhangin po is malapino, hindi po pipino, sorry. Malapino po or powder po ang buhangin natin dyan. And that is the longest in the Philippines of 14.7 kilometers and second longest in Southeast Asia naman. You can become at Honda Bay. In Honda Bay po, yan yung tinatawag namin na El Nido, a little El Nido of the city because few minutes away from the project, pwede na po kayo agad mag-island hopping tour because that is within the city development natin yung Honda Bay. You can be at all sa firefly watching areas natin here in Palawan because alam niyo po ba, pag ang certain area or certain place ay may fireflies pa kayong nakikita at mas maraming fireflies po kayo nakikita, ibig sabihin po that certain place or area is not yet polluted. And sobrang dami po namin fireflies dito sa Palawan. As you enter the mangrove areas po namin dito, dalawa lang po kasi dito, ang coastline natin is either mangrove or mga beach. So kapag hindi mangrove, beach. Kung hindi beach, mangrove po yung makikita nyo. Maganda mag-island hopping tour and sa gabi, maganda naman po mag-firefly watching. Napaka-majestic, napaka-truly mapuput po kayo in awe. Hindi kailangan ng kuryente, tumitwinkle-twinkle sa gabi yung mga fireflies po natin na yan. You can discover the underground river. This is within the city of Puerto Princesa rin. This is the pride and joy of Palawan. Just imagine niyo po, all around the world, we only have about 7 wonders of nature and one of them is located here in Puerto Princesa City, Palawan, the underground river. It is a very unique biodiversity inside. That's why it's declared as one of the 7 wonders of nature. You can trek in Magarwak because commonly known po ang isla ng Palawan talaga sa water activities natin. But there in Magarwak, dyan nyo po may experience din ang trekking, camping, glamping, at kung ano-ano pa na related sa pag-akyat ng bundok. Kasi not only water activities pong in-offer natin sa isla, kundi may mga mountain climbing activities din po tayo. So truly from anong tawag dito, reach to reef, sabi nga nila, wala pong tapon dito sa Palawan. And there in Magarwak, yan po ang tinatawag namin in the city na one of the shortest climb but also one of the best view dahil within the city development po yan. Pagdating nyo sa taas, makikita nyo po yung city development, the whole panoramic view of the island of Palawan, and of course, ang area po natin na nasa bandang Honda Bay naman po. Disney Fields in Bakersfield, imagine niyo po yung Disneyland, tinanggalan na ng mga rides, parang Bakersfield na rin yan. Bakersfield is really famous for their hopia, mga baked goods po natin dyan, and pasalubong din po yan. Yan yung parang pinaka-last stop ng mga taong nagpupunta dito sa Palawan dahil dyan bumibili ng mga pasalubong sa mga kamag-anakan o sa mga kaibigan na naiwan, hindi nakasama sa biyahe. So, dyan nyo rin po makikita some of the endemic animals that we have in the island. One of them is the Palawan Peasant Peacock. That is the symbol of the city of Puerto Princesa. Imagine niyo po, the regular size of the peacock na meron tayo sa mundo is a size of a turkey or kasing laki po ng pabo. Malaki siya. But the one that we have here, imagine niyo po, peacock na kasing laki lamang ng manok. And that is found here in the island of Palawan. This is also sets us aside or makes us unique compared to other cities in the Philippines, compared to the other islands in the Philippines because we have a very unique biodiversity. That is why most of the endemic animals na makikita natin sa Pilipinas ay dito lamang po makikita sa Palawan. And with all those lifestyle, with all those activities that you can get to do as you invest here in Camellia Manors Verdant in Palawan, by the end of the day, you can come home here po sa napaka-premium, napakaganda nating development. Hashtag your condo in paradise, Camellia Manors Verdant. So right now po, I will be giving you 4 major reasons why you should invest in Puerto Princesa City, in Palawan, and of course, our development, Camellia Manors Verdant. Una-una dyan, our global recognition as the city of Puerto Princesa itself and the whole island of Palawan to the world. And the Puerto Princesa itself po is the main gateway to the island of Palawan. Since 2013 po, hailed tayo as the best island in the world by so many well-known, incredible travel magazines. Hindi po basta-basta na sinabi lang namin, oh, kami ang best island in the world. Hindi po. Ang nagsabi po na tayo ay best island in the world ay mga magazine po na kilala worldwide and of course with the credibility to declare a certain area as the best island in the world. And since 2013 po, nasa-secure natin yung top spot as the best island in the world. Entry point po ang Puerto Princesa din the only city of the island and the center of trade and commerce ng buong isla po, which is the Puerto Princesa City, kung saan matatagpuan ng ating development, is the entry point to the islands of El Nido, to the islands of Coron, to the other world-renowned tourist destinations, and of course to the underground river, because we cannot deny the fact that we already have a direct flight from Manila to El Nido, from Manila to Coron, but we cannot also deny the fact that the international airport and the international cruise ship port is right here within the city of Puerto Princesa, few minutes away from the project. This opens up the international market po to our city itself bago po makarating sa buong isla ng Palawan yan. And tied in po tayo sa mga travel bucket list that there is. So this really opens up unlimited opportunities sa inyo po ng mga business partners namin, sa mga clients ninyo, and of course to the general public that would want to visit our island. So sino ba namang hindi gustong makapagpunta ng Palawan? Tanungin niyo po yung mga kakilala natin, kakilala ninyo, mga friends natin, at kayo po mismo. That is why kung hindi pa nakakapunta ng Palawan, ipinapatype ko po is I want, baka malay niyo po. Pag sobrang daming benta, pwede po namin kayong ipadala dito sa Palawan para po ma-experience nyo naman ang napakagandang isla namin dito. Ayan. So, pangalawang reason po, your safe haven. This is best for those who wants to live here in the island of Palawan, sa mga gustong mag-retire o sa mga gustong magtrabaho na dito. Because Puerto Princesa City and the whole island of Palawan, Camellia Manors, Verdant is your safe haven. Unang-una po, the city of Puerto Princesa is a carbon neutral city. We are a Hall of Famer awardee for the cleanest and the greenest city in the Philippines for so many years now, and we have the title as the city in the forest. Then within the city development, may mga pockets of forest pa po tayo, and at the same time within the city downtown of Puerto Princesa, alam niyo po ba meron tayo diyang Business Central District strip natin, or yung pinakamaraming ganap. Kumbaga, most of the banks are there, most of the businesses, most of the developments are there. Meron po tayong strip na puro mga restaurants na mga masasarap kainan. And then in the middle of those restaurants po, isang row po yan ng mga restaurants. Sa kalagitnaan po ng mga restaurants na yan, may naglalakihang mga acacia tree na tumutubo sa gitna. And that's just the reflection of how the development works here in the island of Palawan, wherein the economic growth thrive together with the natural resources that is God-given to the beautiful island of Palawan. So we are making sure with the presence of the Palawan Council for Sustainable Development that the island talaga of Palawan is thriving and growing in terms of the economic growth sa ano pong meron kami dito na napaka-blessed po kasi namin sa nature. So ayaw po naming masira yon. Relatively typhoon-free din po tayo because shielded po tayo sa islands of Coron and Visayas kasi we are located on the western side, and usually our storms are created on the Pacific area. So dadaan muna yan dyan sa Luzon, sa Visayas, sa Mindanao bago makarating dito sa Palawan. So either ang bagyo po is mahina na or tunaw na po siya pagdating dito sa atin. So hindi po tayo masyadong binabagyo. Earthquake proof din po tayo. We are the most stable island in the Philippines dahil ang continental rocks po natin, the foundation of the island, extends 30 kilometers below. Wala tayong active fault lines, wala tayong active volcanoes, and wala po tayong deep sea trenches surrounding the whole island of Palawan. It means while the other cities in the Philippines, major cities in the Philippines are worried about the big one na sinasabi na atakihin ng naglalakasang mga earthquake yung mga major cities natin, dito kami sa Palawan, sa Puerto Princesa, very chill because we will never get to experience that, and hindi pa po tayo nakaka-experience niya naman. Puerto Princesa also holds the distinction in having the largest municipal waters. Alam niyo po, Bibi, ang aming pong seafood dito ay sobrang mura. Kapag peak season po ang galunggong, it's only 25 pesos per kilo. Imagine niyo po, saan kayo nakabili ng galunggong or ng sardines na freshly caught, 25 pesos per kilo lang kapag peak season. And yung mga bisita natin dito or mga tourists natin that's visiting the island, instead ng ipasalubong nila sa mga kamag-anak nila, mga t-shirt, mga keychain, ang pinapasalubong po nila, alam niyo kung ano? Lobster po at lapu-lapu kasi sobrang mura po ng seafood natin dito. Imagine niyo po yung kamag-anak niyo pinasalubungan niyo ng isang buong lobster. Hi, welcome back. Ito po regalo ko sa inyo from Palawan. So that is just the reason why na sobrang mura po ng aming seafood dito dahil ang laki po ng municipal water natin. Second largest land area in the Philippines din po tayo. It means na malaki ang lupa, malaki yung pwedeng pagtamna ng pagkain. So in terms of food production, the island of Palawan is very much independent, and hindi na po kami nag-i-import ng pagkain pa na sa ibang lugar sa Pilipinas. And also, one of the safest city in the country po tayo. Wala tayong mga hold up dito, walang pickpockets, wala na lang biglang tututukan kayo ng balisong sa tagiliran ninyo, hingan kayo, bigay mo pera mo, bigay mo wallet mo. Wala po tayo dito niyan sa Palawan because we are hailed as the best island in the world, and we would want to retain that by being very hospitable, being very kind, and being very polite sa mga tao po na nakakasalubong natin sa daan. Because ayaw po namin i-tarnish yung title natin na yon by magbabahid po kami ng masamang experience sa mga bumibisita naman sa atin dito. So truly po, this is your safe haven in Puerto Princesa City, in Palawan, Camellia Manors, Verdun. Third reason po, regional emerging investment destination din po ang Palawan, Puerto Princesa. Kasi po pag sinabi nating isla, meron tayong bad connotation na island or isla ng Palawan. We have a bad connotation na ay walang signal doon, pangit yung internet dyan, walang development, ganyan, ang pangit ng healthcare services. But it's just on the contrary of what is currently happening in Puerto Princesa and the whole island of Palawan itself. Because Puerto Princesa po is the center of trade and commerce of the whole island. Ang IT and communications po natin dito, our internet is already fiber. Our signal po is 5G rin. So we can stand toe-to-toe sa mga major cities in the Philippines natin. IT and BPO companies po natin, isa sa pinakamalaking employer natin sa isla. Our educational institution, we have international schools that accommodating students from Africa, Taiwan, China, Korea, India po, na dito talaga nag-aaral sa atin dahil sa unique course na ino-offer natin sa Palawan State University. Government services po natin, may one-stop shop na lahat po ng lahat po ng kakailanganin nyo in terms of government services ay doon nyo mahanap sa isang lugar na yon. So, hindi na kayo palipat-lipat ng location. Healthcare services natin, all of our hospitals are third-level hospitals. So tertiary na po sila, so they can provide you with medical needs na kakailanganin natin, especially doon sa mga gustong mag-retire dito na usually may mga, kumbaga, may healthcare needs na talaga. So they don't really need to travel to the major cities in the Philippines in order to receive their medical needs kasi sa city pa lang po, within Palawan, pwede na po natin silang i-accommodate. And of course, with the major transportation po, presence ng ating international airport, international cruise ship port, pwede po tayong mag-open ng opportunities in terms of the international market. Cited din po tayo by the Philippine Chamber of Commerce as one of the most business-friendly cities in the Philippines. And just last year po, 2021, na-declare tayo ng Pilipinas as one of the rising urbanized city natin dahil po sa major infrastructure na ginagawa namin for the last 5 years. And last reason po, which is also the best reason why your client should invest here, is the business opportunities your clients can take advantage of the dynamic tourism of Palawan, making their home investment by renting it to foreign local tourists visiting the island. And they can earn po enough to pay, to cover for their monthly amortization, and mayroon pa pong matitira sa kanila na passive income directly deposited to their bank account. So technically po, this is an income generating investment. Hindi po ito utang na nababayaran nila, kundi po investment na magbibigay sa kanila ng extra income pa. And meron po, of course, alam niyo na po yan, Vistaland, basta si Vistaland, meron po tayong tinatawag na Manors Leasing or leasing and asset management. Under Manors Leasing, if your clients don't have the time to manage their own unit, if they don't have anyone to manage their unit, pwede po nilang i-enroll yung kay Manors Leasing ang kanilang unit, and si Manors Leasing na po ang bahala sa lahat in terms of marketing, in terms of maintenance, in terms of accommodating their guests, and by the end of the month, marireceive na po nila yung revenue na na-generate ng kanilang unit. So dalawa lang gagawin nila, enroll their unit, and then by the end of the month, receive the revenue that their unit accumulated for them, directly deposited to their bank account. So Project Focus po, sino ba si Camellia Manors Verdun? We are the very first condo development in Palawan, and tayo po ang kaisa-isang fine estate community rin sa isla. Located po tayo within the heart of the city ng Puerto Princesa, and we are a resort-themed condo development which is just minutes away from the international airport, international cruise ship port, and to an open beach area. Para makita niyo po ang vicinity map natin, ito po ang ating mapa naman po ng Puerto Princesa. Kung makikita niyo po, this is the 16-hectare development natin under Camellia brand. Sa harapan po natin is yung kalahating ektarya natin ni Camellia Manors Verdun. So ang pinakamalapit po sa atin accessibility is an open beach area of 3 kilometers away from the project. So that's like 5, 10, 15 minutes na lakaran lang po na jogging from the project. Pwede na po kayo maligo agad sa pristine white beaches natin in the island of Palawan. And Wala po tayong traffic dito sa Palawan, sa Puerto Princesa. Ang atin pong international airport, proximity from our development is just 5 minutes drive lang po. Sobrang lapit. And our international airport accommodates direct flights from China, Taiwan, Korea, Hong Kong pre-pandemic. If the pandemic didn't happen, the city was actually planning to accommodate all of our neighboring Asian countries, and then would later on accommodate most of the major cities natin in the whole world. And of course, with the international cruise ship port naman, which is only 5-7 minutes away from the project lang din, sobrang lapit lang po niyan, it is accommodating mga cruise ship po natin na bumibisita sa Palawan, sa buong Pilipinas po. Actually, meron lang tayong 2 isla na binibisita ng cruise ship. One is Boracay and then one is Palawan. Pero talo po natin ang Boracay dahil located po sa Puerto Princesa or si Palawan in an open sea. So mas accessible po sa atin yung mga cruise ship. And those cruise ship that's visiting the island po natin ay hindi basta-basta na mga Asian-based cruise ship, kundi mga international po coming from Europe, coming from the Caribbean seas. If you're familiar with Silver Cruise, Princess Cruise, Disney Cruise, at one point makapunta po yan dito sa atin. And those cruise ship would stay here for 1 day to 3 days, and naghahanap po talaga sila ng mga tourist destination at mga tourist accommodations po na local here in Palawan. At dyan tayo papasok with the proximity natin sa international airport and the international cruise ship port. Pwede po natin ipalize out ang ating resort type condo development, Camellia Manors Verdant, na napaka-premium, napakaganda. Ayan. And para mas ma-vision out nyo po, major infrastructure natin, 4.2 kilometers the international airport, 5.2 naman po ang cruise ship port. Commercial, given na po yan, pinakamalapit is 4.5. Leisure natin, the closest is the open beach area na 3 kilometers away from the project lang. Schools and healthcare po natin, hospital na pinakamalapit na third level is a Co-op Hospital at 3.5 kilometers, and with the presence of Palawan State University naman po at 3.7 kilometers away, dito po yan pwede nating take advantage naman dyan sa long-term leasing for your unit, for the unit po ng client natin. Kasi we have international students dyan na nag-aaral ng petroleum engineering. Petroleum engineering in the Philippines, 3 schools lang po ang nag-offer niyan, and we are the very first school to ever offer petroleum engineering dahil malapit tayo sa Malampaya. We have students coming from Africa, India, Taiwan, Korea, at kung saan-saan pa na nag-aaral dyan. And since those students have the means to study abroad, they also have the means to live in a premium development, to live in a premium condo development ni Camellia Manors Verdant. So pwede po natin i-take advantage yung mga students na yan kung long-term lease naman po sa unit ni client natin. And of course, ito po ang mga picture natin, business and commerce natin, anong Rizal Avenue, academic institutions, places of worship, hangout places of leisures, healthcare po natin, afternoon walks along the shore na napakaganda. Ayan po, tingnan nyo po yung beach. Napakaganda po talaga. Puerto Princesa Sandbar is the closest from our development. Ayan po. This is like sinasabi ko pong 3 kilometers away from the project. We also have Nagtabon, napakaganda rin. And of course, Honda Bay na island hopping tour within the city of Puerto Princesa. Ayan po siya. So we have also the future developments. While wala pa po kaming anong tawag dito, wala pa po kaming traffic dito in the city is also foreseeing na the future. So nagkakaroon na po tayo agad ng mga access roads, mga bay bridge connecting yung accessibilities po natin para hindi tayo magka-traffic in the future. So with the presence of Puerto Princesa Bay Bridge, it will connect the South Puerto Princesa and the North Puerto Princesa, opening up more accessibility sa mga local, sa mga tourists po natin in the island. We also have the Balayong People's Park. Kung si Japan ay meron silang Sakura Festival, kami po dito sa Palawan meron kaming Balayong Festival dahil po sa Balayong tree. It can rival the beauty of the Balayong of the cherry blossom that they have in Japan, and nagbubulaklak po yan tuwing March, and nakukover niya po, imagine niyo isang buong puno na puro pink, walang kulay green. Ganun po yung Balayong. It blossoms together with fire trees natin dito at saka mga yellow tops. So kapag March, kapag summer season, buong city po ng Puerto Princesa is napaka-colorful. And dyan po sa Balayong People's Park, nagsi-celebrate kami ng Balayong Festival dahil marami po tayong Balayong trees naman po dyan. And of course, ang pinakamalaking development na ginagawa natin, which is the 6-lane superhighway, converting all of our highways into 6 lanes para po mas mapabilis yung biyahe natin papunta sa north ng Palawan and sa south ng ng Palawan po. So ito cut into half ang travel time natin po sa papunta sa mga tourist destinations natin. So with all those developments, with all those accessibilities po, lagi namin sinasabi kay Camellia Manors Verdant, May you be a person that prioritizes accessibility and convenience, a blossom professional looking for a place to retire, a family person looking for a family home, or an investor looking for business opportunities, the Verdant is perfect for you. Yung client po natin, whichever walk of life they currently are right now, pwedeng-pwede po natin mabigay yung pangangailangan nila. So project focus po natin, video flashing on your screen right now is the actual deliverables of the Verdant. This was taken September last year, so it's not as updated, but we'll be updating this very, very soon na. So the whole facility po natin is kalahating hektarya na protected po ng electric perimeter fence. Sa development po natin, meron tayong dalawang mid-rise towers of 266 units, lahat-lahat na. Ayan po yung itsura niyan. So meron po tayong 123 residential units per building. In total, meron po tayong 146 residential units for the whole project. 10 commercial units per building. In total, meron po tayong 20 commercial units for the whole project. And of course, meron po tayong 7 floors per towers na 19 units per floor. Hindi po siya crowded, napaka-premium, napaka-VIP type kasi isang floor, 19 units lang po ang meron doon. Hindi siya congested, kumbaga. Building 1 po natin is ready for occupancy. May mga nakatira na po natin. At Building 2 will be turned over in the next 2 to 4 months dahil we are at 99% completion na po dyan, almost. So waiting na lang po tayo for the documentations and all that. So ang resort team amenities natin, of course, because we are a condo development resort type, may swimming pool tayo, 2-story clubhouse. Sa 2-story clubhouse natin, ayan siya. On the second floor po ng clubhouse natin ay fitness gym sa left side and then function room naman po sa kabila na pwede pong gamitin. Magsasabi lang si client natin sa ating property manager. And then sa baba naman po, ito sa ground floor po ng 2-story clubhouse natin is the open lounge area. May mga tables na po yan dyan, may mga sofa na nakalagay na yon. That will serve as the lobby po ng ating condo development. So kunwari yung client po natin is mayroong titira sa unit nila for a few days, dyan muna natin patatambayin yung mga titira po sa unit habang nililinis natin via Camellia Manor Leasing yung kanilang unit. And of course, sa likod po ng ating 2-story clubhouse is the play park for the kids, of course. Sa labas naman po are the commercial strip natin. As I mentioned kanina, the whole facility is protected with an electric perimeter fence. And of course, continuous po ang ating pag-landscape naman ng mga gardens natin. And lastly, the signature of all the Camellia Manors brand projects natin nationwide. We are a fine estate condo development. Ayan po siya. So mayroon po tayong dalawang unit types of offering na lang. We used to have 3, pero yung isa po natin na deluxe studio with balcony of 33.96 square meters is sold out na po. So dalawang units na lang po type ang naiiwan sa atin. Studio Prime of 39.48 square meters. So this exactly how it looks like. Fine white finish with ceramic white tile. Napaka-premium looking at pag binuksan po natin ang bintana papunta sa balcony, voila! This is the view. Kitang-kita po ang panoramic view of the island of Palawan and meron pa po tayong few units left na may isa na lang po pala actually na natitirang ocean view because the rest po is ito pong prime studio kasi natin 4th floor pa baba hindi kita yung dagat pero 5th floor pataas medyo kita po yung dagat. So prime studio balcony at 39.48 square meters located from 2nd floor to 7th floor facing sa seaside or sunrise po. So ang ganda po ng sinag ng araw diyan pag morning, kumbaga healthy yung sikat ng araw diyan pag umaga. And last unit offering po natin is a 2-bedroom with balcony of 39.48 square meters. Kung makikita niyo po, yung prime studio natin at saka 2-bedroom is of the same size. The only difference is that yung 2-bedroom po natin is set na siya as 2-bedroom. Ayan na po yung pinaka-itsura niyan. And all of our 2 bedrooms po is located only on the ground floor ng ating mga towers and both towers naman po natin is identical. So ito po is intended doon sa mga blossom professional natin na gusto nang mag-retire na ayaw nang sumakay ng elevator o maglakad ng stairs if in case. So para pagpasok nila ng building, diretso na po sila agad sa unit nila. So 2-bedroom na po yan siya agad. But of course, with the sizes ng studio cuts natin po na malalaki at 39.48 and 33.96, it is convertible naman for 2-bedroom, 1-bedroom. At ang maganda po sa studio, imagination mo ang limit. Kumbaga, pwede po natin i-convert kung anong gusto nating gawin. Dahil malaki naman po ang ating cuts for our studio units. And of course, outside of our development po, is the commercial strips po natin. So yung commercial strip po natin, dyan tayo maglalagay ng mga homegrown brands ni Vista. Confirm po si Coffee Project. So magsa-start na po ng construction nila dyan very, very soon. We might have all the supermarket also all bank at kung ano-ano pa po. So once po na fully occupy na po yan ng mga homegrown brands natin na nalagay na yung mga dapat nilang ilagay at may mga naiwan pa po na commercial strips or commercial units, that is the time po na i-offer muna natin yun sa mga unit owners bago natin ilabas po sa mga non-unit owners natin. So ayan po siya. And floor plan, as I mentioned nga po, on the ground floor is either commercial strip or 2-bedroom. Commercial strip po facing the sunset area, and then facing sa sunrise area is the 2-bedroom natin. Sa second floor to 7th floor naman po natin is either deluxe studio with balcony na sold out na po, or prime studio with balcony facing sa sunrise area at 39.48 square meters. So ito po, business opportunities of your clients might be able to earn here. You can go to Agoda ngayon, Traveloka, TripAdvisor, at kung saan-saan pa. Your clients will be earning 3,500 pesos per day. So hindi ko na po to i-explain ng pagkahaba-haba pa, but your clients po, with how much they might be able to earn here, at a conservative number, they will be earning 780,000 pesos per month, per year. That is more than enough to cover for their monthly amortization and then give them a little bit of passive income directly deposited to their bank account. So if you have any clients who would be interested for an investment like this of earning how much the dynamic tourism of Palawan can offer to them, message nyo lang po kami ni Ace, and we're very much willing to do this presentation to them naman. And of course, may buyer's promo po tayo na 30,000 for 2-bedroom and then 20,000 po naman for studio units. This will be given po sa ating mga unit owners upon turnover of their unit in the form po of gift certificate or a check that's named under them that they can redeem in any SM malls in Palawan. Pwede na po nilang bumili agad ng mga home starter packages or mga appliances, so hindi po nila bare matatanggap yung unit nila. 30,000 for 2-bedroom, 20,000 naman po for studio units. And right now po, from the original 266 units, we only have about 30 units left. Sobrang konti na po. Ang amin pong development here in Palawan are selling out so fast. Napakabilis po. Ang pinakamataas na unit na lang po natin for building 1 natin, which is ready for occupancy, is on the 4th floor, priced at 6.5 million. And sa kabila naman po, building 2 natin, we have last unit po natin na Ocean View on the 5th floor, unit P, price at 6.7. And of course, may 3 unit na lang po tayo na 2-bedroom na naiiwan, located sa ground floor ng ating building 1. Building 2 natin, sold out na po yung mga 2-bedroom. So building 1, mga 2-bedroom po, ang price natin dyan is 6.2 million. And of course, marami po tayong financing options na in-offer, pero ang pinaka-friendly po na in-offer natin ngayon is easy move-in promo na tinatawag natin, wherein our clients would only have to pay 2% of the total contract price payable for 3 months, and then bibigyan po natin sila ng discount upon loan release. So pwede na po sila agad, ang ika-cash out lang po nila is 2% ng total contract price, and pwede na po silang mag-move in agad-agad. Of course, noting na meron na po silang loan release. So para makita po natin in numbers, this is a sample computation for our building 1, Prime Studio Unit Q, price at 6.3 million, reservation fee natin is at 20,000 pesos. Ang down payment natin po, as I mentioned, is 2% lamang. So payable po yan for the next 3 months. 127,670 pesos po ang kanilang magiging down payment. Divided po yan equally for 3 months. So that's about 35,890 pesos ang kanilang babayaran per month for the next 3 months. And then, bibigyan po natin sila ng napakalaking discount na 510,676 pesos, 8% of the total contract price discount upon loan release. So, their loan release po, dapat 45 days after full DP naman. And the remaining 90% is loanable na kay bank for 5 years, 10 years, and 15 years. Ayan naman po siya. So you can scan the QR code in front of you right now to access our updated inventories, price list, sample computation, and project details. You can type in also hashtag your condo in paradise in Facebook para po makita natin yung mga materials na coming from our official page, Camellia Manors Verdant. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Benny J. Aristachio, your marketing officer for Camellia Manors Verdant, together with me, my marketing partner, Mr. A. Simbahan. You can scan the QR code in front of you right now po para chat-chat tayo in Messenger. Kung may client prospect kayo dyan, kayo na po bahala maghanap ng client. Kami na po magkuklose niyan. Kumbaga ang gagawin natin, alam niyo po yung pag bumibili tayo sa mall ng cellphone, kunwari, isasama natin yung taong pinagkakatiwalaan natin, either our mom or our friend or our parents, mga ganyan. So, kumbaga kayo po yung pinagkakatiwalaan ng mga buyers natin na yan. And kami yung pinakamagiging salesperson. So kami na po bahala mag-present na kung ano-anong sasabi-sabihin namin. And kayo na po yung tatanungin nila para mag-push na lang po ng kung i-go mo na yan, sobrang ganda ng project. Parang ganun po yung gawin nating strategy naman. So very much willing po kami ni Ace to do the presentation. Sabi niya nga kanina, 25/8 po kami open. Message po anytime as long as gising. Magme-message po kami pabalik sa inyo as soon as possible. So if you have any questions, clarification about our sample computation and the whole project itself, this is the time po to ask questions naman. So yan po. Sa mga, ayan po. So, ayan, any questions po? Clarification? Okay tayo? Ayan, so dahil tahimik po kayo, ipapasa ko na po ang virtual floor sa ating napakagandang development din sa Salt and Sun series, the project natin na Premium Inland Resort in Batangas, Camellia Manors, Lipa. Sir Volt, take it away.
Thank you so much, Ben. And hello po ulit sa ating mga business partners and advocates of Vimy of the World. And before I start po yung presentation, I would like to congratulate Vimy1, no? Especially ang ating Italy team for closing more than 30 million reservation sales last month. So congratulations for being the top sales group for Camellia Manors, Lipa and Camellia Manors Luzon as a whole for the month of May, no? So talagang alam niyo yun, sobrang ganda ng ating production, sobrang ganda ng benta natin, kaya naman naubos natin yung ating building 1, and now we are really happy to announce that we are offering our second building already. So ayan, I'll be sharing my presentation na po. Congratulations Tito Mario and Vimy1, no, yung ating mga kasama sa Vimy1. Congratulations po. And now, we will now go to the Premium Inland Resort Condominium development natin. I am Bolz, your project head in Camellia Manors, Lipa. And now, nandito tayo sa Batangas, isa sa pinaka well-known tourist destination, especially if you're living in Metro Manila and to other parts of the zone. Because Batangas is really top of the mind and top choice of our tourists, no, yung mga local tourists natin, kung gusto nila magkaroon ng weekend getaway or mga biglaang lakad, Batangas po ang takbuhan ng mga turista natin. So now we have our project Camellia Manors Lipa, located in the beautiful city, no, one of the coolest city in the country, Lipa. So yan, ito yung project natin, the Premium Inland Resort Condominium Development in Batangas. Kung si Palawan is Condo in Paradise, tayo naman Premium Inland Resort. Ayan, di ba? So we will be creating a masterpiece, no? Is a resort development in the province of Batangas. So Batangas po is really well known for the beach resorts in our area. No, marami tayong magagandang beach resorts diyan. But here in Lipa, no, although we are located at the center, in the middle of Batangas, gagawan po natin ng magandang resort development yung ating probinsya. This is a first of its kind development. Kaya talaga naman, nung narinig ng mga tao, ano yung Premium Inland Resort? Talagang nakita nila yung ganda ng development at nag-reserve sila, naubos agad po natin yung Building 1.
The lush and panoramic vibrance of green spaces, crafted within thriving and integrated landscapes, spawns the modern eloquence of a life well lived. Rising in the prime investment address in Batangas, a premier Pine Estate condo development will spur a new and refreshing lifestyle experience with Caribbean pine trees bringing the pine breeze at the heart of Lipa City. The laid-back atmosphere where nature meets home creates a vacation home in the city with unparalleled resort-themed amenities designed to indulge on leisure and rejuvenation. Every adventure is possible with Lipa's nearby world-class tourist destinations, where you can go mountain hiking, marine diving, food tripping, beach hopping, glamping, or embarking on a pilgrimage
with utmost convenience like no other. With Lipa as the education hub in southern Tagalog, being closer to a dream university promises a fulfilling study life balance for students and work life balance for teachers, where they can thrive with ease in the first resort-inspired university condo in Lipa. Investors can maximize Camellia Manors Lipa in the form of dorm for rent investment for university students and teachers who are looking for a conducive abode near Lipa's university landscape. Unlock the doors to endless growth and opportunities in the biggest condo development in Batangas. Spanning 2.8 hectares, Camellia Manors Lipa has the most expansive amenity area among Camellia Manors projects nationwide. Among its 10 mid-rise buildings, Building 1 and Building 10 houses a commercial area on the ground floor where residents can satisfy their lifestyle needs. This is Camellia Manors Lipa, your exclusive Pine Estate University condo in Batangas. Discover the Pine Estate experience. Experience a life well lived.
So yan, so nakita natin how beautiful Camellia Manors Lipa and how big our amenity area is. So ngayon po doon sa nakita nyo sa screen, meron tayong 2 building dito sa gitna. Yan po, hindi na yan i-construct. That will be part of our amenity area. So talaga, we have the biggest and the grandest amenity area among all Camellia Manors project nationwide. Tayo po yung may pinakamalaki at may pinakamaraming amenities sa lahat ng Camellia Manors project nationwide. So really, living in Lipa is like living in Camellia Manors Lipa is like living inside a resort. So why is it good to invest in Camellia Manors Lipa? So and bakit ba maraming nag-i-invest dito sa atin? Bakit ba na-sold out natin agad yung building 1? So imagine all of these beautiful destinations and beautiful tourist spots are located just few minutes from our project. Talagang naman, kita mo naman, sobrang daming kumuha sa atin because of this beautiful destination and beautiful tourist destination because Lipa is very accessible to these beautiful spots and places. So aside from having a resort development, very accessible din po yung mga tourist destinations natin dito. Kaya naman marami po talaga nag-invest dito sa atin sa Batangas. So because our location is within the city of Lipa and is very accessible to all those beautiful destination, kilala tayo sa road trip tourism, di ba? Hindi mo na kailangan sumakay ng eroplano, hindi mo kailangan sumakay ng mga barko or bangka para mapuntahan yung magagandang destination at makapagbakasyon sa magagandang tourist spots, no, sa magagandang beach resorts. Because here in Batangas, kailangan mo lang ng kotse, kailangan mo lang ng van, makakapag-ikot ka na, makakapag-road trip ka na sa magagandang destination, especially if you're living in Camellia Manors, di pa? And Batangas also ranks the third most visited provinces in 2018. This is based on the Department of Tourism's report. No, we are just next to Cebu, Kamsur, being the third most visited province in 2018 because of our beautiful beach resorts, world-renowned diving spots, heritage churches, and of course, yung masasarap po nating pagkain dito like Kapeng Barako, Gotong Batangas, Lomi, and even Bulalo, no? Dito ka makakain ng mga sizzling bulalo na talaga namang, alam mo yun, guilt-free. So, talagang marami po tayong mga turista na nagpupunta dito and really having a property in a resort development. Isa po tayo sa mga susunod na mga dadayuhing mga attraction and spots dito sa Batangas. And as our slogan says, Rich Batangas, we are really rich in fun, because of our beautiful destinations. You can scuba dive. Meron tayong mga scuba diving spots dito like in Anilao, Mabini. Meron tayong magagandang beach resorts. We have mountains to climb on. Marami tayong mga water sports na pwede i-try ng mga tourists natin. Mga pagkain, hindi sila magugutom dito, especially in Lipa. Sobrang dami nating mga restaurants and mga cafes dito sa area. And soon, magkakaroon tayo ng sarili nating coffee shop sa harapan. And yung ating mga nagpupunta dito for their religious beliefs, marami po tayong mga old churches na pinupuntahan dito sa Lipa. And accessibility-wise, hindi po talaga mahirap pumunta sa Lipa because of the accessibility via the Star and in the South Luzon Expressway. If you're coming from Metro Manila and you are going to Lipa City, 44 minutes lang po yung ating travel time. Mas malapit or mas mabilis pumunta sa Lipa kaysa sa ibang parte ng Metro Manila because of the traffic. Alam po natin yan. So, if you want to have an investment which is very accessible and talagang marami kang pwedeng gawin, sa Batangas ka mag-invest, no? This is the high time to go outside Metro Manila. Mas maganda mag-invest sa mga probinsya because nandito po ang development, nandito po yung magagandang mga pwedeng puntahan, and really, living in a resort development, talagang perfect siya for property rental investment. And this is important also for our business, mga businesses and mga investors na napuputap ng mga negosyo dito. They're looking to the economy of the province. And here says, no, Batangas is the second richest province in the Philippines. We are just next to Cebu. Imagine, talagang mayaman yung ating probinsya in terms of tourist destination and even literal na mayaman because of the assets na nandito. Because we have a booming business in infrastructure development, meron po tayong ongoing bypass road sa likod ng ating development. So really, living in Camellia Manors is very accessible, and meron tayong soon na magagamit na bypass road going to the expressway exit. Ayan, so also, we have thriving BPO industries and economic zone. Marami po tayo mga PEZA sites po dito. And of course, Lipa is the center of education in Southern Tagalog. Sobrang dami po mga premier universities na nandito sa Lipa na talaga namang dinadayo ng mga estudyante. And Lipa itself have a naturally blessed location. Lipa po is the third city with the highest elevation. We are just next to Baguio and Tagaytay. So, having it to become a fine estate community is like living in Tagaytay and Baguio, especially sa pakiramdam, no? Gigising ka sa umaga na malamig, na maginaw, tapos maaamoy mo yung scent ng pine trees. Talagang bakasyon feels, no? Pwede talaga to for personal use if you want to have a retirement home na hindi ganun kalayo at hindi mo na kailangan sumakay ng eroplano. Batangas, Lipa City po ang pwede nating karoon na ng investment. Plus the fact na yung mga binanggit ko po kanina na tourist destinations, malapit din po tayo sa mga beach resorts. Plus the fact na malamig po ang ating temperature, maganda po yung ating climate dito, perfect for retirement. The lowest temperature recorded in Lipa City is around 16 degrees Celsius. And we have available, or we have mountains po within the area na pwede natin puntahan and maakyat, no? And of course, in Camellia Manor Lipa, we have a 360-degree scenic view of nature. Kita po dito yung Mount Malarayat, kita dito yung Mount Bacolod, and the beautiful city of Lipa. And of course po, no, actually, ngayon po na ongoing tayo na construction and nasa 7th floor na po tayo ng first building. Kapag papunta ka ng Lipa at bago ka mag-exit ng Lipa City, kitang-kita na po yung ating first building na ginagawa. Nasa 7th floor na po kasi tayo, no? For the universities naman po within our area, we have premier universities like LaSalle, University of Batangas, and National University na pinupuntahan po at dinadayo ng mga estudyante coming from nearby provinces in Calabarzon and Mimaropa para dito mag-aral. Commercial malls naman po, hindi naman din yan magiging problema sa atin. Ang dami po nating mga malls dito like SM Lipa, SNR, outlets po, no? And of course, the Robinson's Place Lipa, which is 2 minutes from our project. So really, grocery shopping or leisure shopping is not a problem here in Camellia Manor Lipa because we have a different variety of commercial malls and shopping malls within our area. For our location, this is our exclusive and strategic location. We are located at the heart of Lipa City, but we are distant from the city center. Ano po bang advantage ng wala ka sa city center o sa downtown Lipa? Iwas ka sa traffic, iwas ka sa noise and pollution. So talaga namang we have a serene and peaceful location in the barangay of Tibig, no? Yung ating access dito is only 1 kilometer or 2 minutes from the JP Laurel Highway kung saan nandyan yung malalaking mga establishments natin like yung ating hospital, yung ating malls, school. To the other side naman, nandito yung SM, nandito rin po yung central terminal po ng Lipa that have an access if you're going to Metro Manila via point-to-point buses. Meron niyang biyahe papuntang PITX, Mega Mall, Cubao, Makati, no? So commuting or yung ating public transport is not a problem here in Lipa. And not to mention, the Star Tollway po at the lower right side of our map, no? Nandiyan po yung ating Star Tollway na meron tayong access or meron tayong exit no 5 to 10 minutes from our site. So elevating your Batangas experience in the premium inland resort condominium, we are now offering and selling our second building. So congratulations to our investors and business partners who help us to sell out our first building. So ito po yung ating building 2 perspective. Meron tayo diyang available units na facing amenities and facing Makulot, no? So talagang wala pong tapon sa view ng ating second building. So Camellia Manor Lipa is the biggest condo development in Batangas. Meron po tayong 2.8 hectare na development, and imagine if 2.8 hectares po yung ating total development, 1 hectare po dito ay allotted for our amenities. So imagine how big our amenity area, how many amenities our unit owners can enjoy, especially yung mga business partners natin na may mga units po dito. Congratulations po to your beautiful property, no? And yung ating second building po is at 7 stories per floor and 17 units per floor na lang po ito, no? So talagang konti lang po yung residents natin per floor, but we still have a big open space, a big amenity area that everyone can enjoy. So ito po yung listahan ng ating mga world-class amenities that soon magiging available po sa ating development. We have a 2-story clubhouse, function hall, a big function hall that can accommodate up to 250 persons at a time. Meron pa rin po tayo dyan additional na events pavilion for additional events. Meron po tayong leisure pool, meron tayong kiddie pool. We also have fitness gym, basketball court, play park, and of course, our palm garden. So aside from the pine trees that will be planted here in our development, meron pa tayong palm garden for resort feels like experience. And of course, we have a meditation area, pocket parks, pet area, and then jogging path. So all of this will be found in our central amenity area. That is the biggest amenity area to all Camellia Manors project nationwide. So ito po yung perspective ng ating mga amenities. Ayan, sobrang ganda. Picture pa lang, gusto mo nang tumalon at mag-swimming sa ating malaking swimming pool. Lap pool po ito, no? And ayan po yung ating mga gazebos na available. So talaga naman, para ka talagang nasa isang premier resort kapag nandito ka sa Camellia Manors, di ba? And soon, no? Soon po, ito po, malapit na tayo, malapit na natin itong ma-experience. Maglalagay na kami ng mga advertisement doon sa site. Soon in Camellia Manors pa, all-day supermarket. So imagine, yung mga investors po na nandito ngayon, na kumuha ng unit sa ating Building 1, meron po tayong supermarket sa ground floor, no? Hindi ko na po sasabihin kung sino-sino po yung mga yon, pero ang dami niyo po dito. Ma-enjoy niyo po yan, yung ating supermarket sa ating first building. And of course, tulad po na in-announce ko recently sa ating Facebook post, soon in Camellia Manors Lipa, magkakaroon po tayo ng Dear Joe Coffee Shop, no? So cafe, meron tayong Dear Joe Cafe po dito. So meron tayong maipapakita mga masasarap na coffee and mga juices. And aside from that, magkakaroon din po tayo ng sombrero, cafe and bar. So gusto namang mag-inom, di ba? So from the cafe to the supermarket to bar, no? Cafe and bar natin dito, may experience po yan ng mga unit owners natin. And of course, this will not be possible dahil sa ating mga sellers na tumulong magbenta ng ating mga units, no? Sabi nga ni MBV, ang ganda ng development, ang ganda ng area natin, ang ganda ng benta, so deserve nitong magkaroon ng magagandang commercial establishments. So, yan po. So, soon, meron tayong all-day supermarket, Dear Joe Cafe, and Sombrero Cafe and Bar. For our unit layout, ito po yung ating floor layout po, no? Per floor, meron tayong 1 bedroom, smallest na in-offer natin, 30 square meters. And we have 2 bedroom units at 40 square meters. So, ayan po, no? So, for our unit turnover deliverables, tulad po ng pinakita ni Benny kanina sa Palawan, ganun din po yung magiging turnover natin. Maganda and complete finish po yan. For the price, guys, Vimy of the World, we have only 11,000 pesos po, no? Yung ating starting down payment is at 11,000 pesos only. So imagine you have a property, you have a condominium in a resort for as low as 11,000 pesos po. Reservation fee is only at 15,000 pesos. So this is for our 1-bedroom unit. And if you want to have a bigger unit po, meron po tayong 2 bedrooms dito at only 15,000 pesos. So imagine how affordable our down payment po for our units, no? So 1 bedroom, 11,000, 2 bedrooms, 15,000, and guys, our 2-bedroom units po is very limited, 2 units lang po ito per floor. So if you have a client looking for a bigger space, bigger unit po, dalhin nyo na po yan dito sa Lipa. Kayang-kaya ng budget, 15,000 pesos lang. Kung straight naman, 21,000 pesos lang for 42 months. Guys, this is a limited time offering. 42 months down payment, no reservation fee at 15,000 pesos. For our fast break promo, less 150,000 to all units for our first 30 reservation. Sorry, hindi ko lang po na-update yung ating poster dito, but we only have 16 slots left for our 150,000 outright discount. So if you have clients po na naghahanap ng property dito sa Camellia Manors, diba, better to reserve a unit now kasi paubos po, no, yung ating slots for our 150,000 discount po per unit. It is applicable for 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom units. Aside from that, magkakaroon din po tayo ng 10,000 worth of all-day gift certificate upon move-in ng ating mga clients. So, konting rental investment study, Batangas po is registered the highest number of tourist arrival in Calabarzon in 2018. That is total of 15 million visitors po, no? 60% of those composed of millennials from Metro Manila nagpunta sa mga beach resorts natin, and the 40% po remaining are families and pilgrims na nagpunta sa Lipa because of our beautiful old churches po within our city, because Lipa City po is dubbed as the little Rome of the Philippines, no? So the total of 15 million visitors po, meron tayong breakdown. 12.7 million po ay mga nagsipag day tour, no? And the remaining 2.3 million naman po ay overnight. So meron po tayong dalawang option. Pwede tayong magpa-rent ng day stay, no? Or pwede tayong magpa-overnight stay po dito sa atin. So kahit alin dyan, kikita po tayo because maganda yung ating resort condominium. In Batangas po, meron na lang tayong 105 accredited accommodation establishment nitong 2022. So we have the opportunity, meron tayong nakitang magandang opportunity for rental accommodation business, no? Because konti na lang po yung natitirang rental accommodation establishment dito, no? So pag meron kang unit sa Camellia Municipal, pwede mong paupahan 'yan. Malaki po ang demand ng rental investment or rental accommodation dito sa ating area, no? For the rental rate around Lipa po, nagko-cost siya for about 2,500 to 5,000 pesos per night. So yung ating unit po is 1 bedroom, pwede po natin siyang paupahan ng 3,000 pesos per day or per night. So 3,000 times 20 is 60,000 pesos. See, malaki pong income po ito monthly. Lalo na kung meron kang 2 or 3 units that will earn you 120,000 to 180,000 per month. That is perfect for income replacement, especially to our OFW kababayans na gusto ng income replacement by the time na sila po ay nag-retire. So malaki po ang kikitain natin dito for our units, no? Pwede na siya ipasok sa mga Airbnb, Booking.com, and of course, yung ating Manners Leasing na binanggit ni Benny kanina, pwede rin natin po itong i-enroll doon once po naging available. So basically, that's it for our Premium Inland Resort Condominium in Batangas, Camellia Manors Lipa. Meron po ba tayong mga questions to our business partners? Yan po, sinend po ni Eman yung ating updated Google Drive for Camellia Manors Lipa if you want to look out to our availability, to our pricing, no? Tulad po ng ating kasama sa Palawan, we are available any time of the day and night if you want us to help you on presenting to our clients para ma-reserve na. Pero I believe naman sa ating mga business partners dito sa VME, hindi nila kailangan ng help ng ating mga marketing officers kasi kabisado na nila yung ating projects because ever since kayo po ang aming top seller and kayo po talaga ang bumubuhat sa bentahan ng Camellia Manor, especially dito sa Luzon. So really, we really appreciate your support with us dito sa ulo na ng ating mga VME of the world. So yan. Sir Chris, Brian? Yeah, so, kung wala na po tayong questions, alam ko sa ibang bansa, maaga pa, no? Mga nagpapasukan na yung mga beta natin. And for further